Hey, what's up everybody? BMSLou here. I hope everyone's doing well. Probably a pretty short video here today, as you can see in the time description of this video. Short video on my car. I want to talk about just something here real quick as I'm waiting for someone to head over to the house. Things been going pretty decent. Still hitting birds out on my drives. Things are going pretty good with the car, aside from the fact that what do we have here? A little window chip. Just got that the other day. Really bumming me out. But kind of want to talk real quick about LuxCare. Are you familiar with LuxCare? LuxCare is a protection package that I bought when I bought my car that protects the interior, the leather, and the exterior of the car. I believe you can kind of haggle the price when you buy the LuxCare. At least at my dealership, I could haggle the price a little bit. And so I got it for just over $700, and it kind of covers a few things with my car, interior and exterior. So basically with that chip on my car, I called LuxCare and they submitted a claim to, apparently they work with Safe Light Repair, Safe Light Replace. So I'm waiting for Safe Light right now to come out and fix the chip on my car, on my windshield. Now if this chip gets longer than 6 inches, happened on my way home, which would have been Thursday. Recording this on a Monday, so it hasn't really expanded, which is good. But yeah, if it gets bigger than 6 inches, then they have to actually replace the whole windshield. So luckily, nothing has happened. It's summertime. The temperature's not changing a whole lot. We've had a really beautiful weekend here. So had this been, single degree temperatures, then I probably would have seen some crackage happen in here. But nonetheless, the windshield would have been covered under the LuxCare. With that $700 and something, I get 2 completely new windshields if that were to happen with the package. So I just want to talk about LuxCare. It's something to definitely consider. When I got the car, took it in shortly after, and they put LuxCare in it. They put in protection packages on all my leather seats and all that. So just want to talk about that. Something to consider if you're going to buy a new car. Maybe I'll come on real quick as soon as the guy is done fixing that, and we'll see what it looks like after the fact. But aside from that, the car's been going pretty good. I won't get in to turn the car on, but I'm sitting at right around, 23,000 miles. I got to go get another oil change here in about 1,000 miles, which would be in about 2 weeks, or about a week really, but I'm going to probably get one a week late. But no, car's good. I do find when it's super hot out, this car kind of acts like my WRX when I had it. It's a little sluggish when it's super hot out. I kind of really got to get on the gas pedal to have it go, and maybe it's just I'm not a huge car guy, so I don't know, but it's interesting to say the least. But maybe when it gets super hot and humid, which it does here where I'm at, it kind of affects the engine a little bit. So I haven't really done anything else to the car, really. I think my last video I done is when I replaced my fog light bezel. Aside from that, I posted a video on my vacation when I went to San Diego and Vegas, which was a fun vacation. If you haven't watched that video, go back and check it out. It's a short video, I think 5 or 6 minutes. Haven't really got many views on that, but I definitely still get a lot of views on the car videos. So yeah, I'll be around. Hopefully post some more videos as things kind of happen here, things go on, but still enjoying the car. It's good. You know what? I did a video. We're kind of cleaning up the house. We're maybe moving here in the next few months. But I picked up some of this bug and tar. Can't remember if I've done a video on it. But it definitely works pretty decent for removing bugs off the front of the grill and off the front of the car. So, you know, if you're looking for something like that, I kind of recommend that stuff. You just need one of those, as well as a little yellow mesh sponge, and that are kind of spray the stuff on, you leave it set for a good 5 minutes, and then scrub it off with that, and then go out and wash your car after. Works pretty good. Anyway, short video. I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Stay tuned. Real quick, I'll show you the finished product, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, folks. Bye-bye. All the mileage?
Yeah.
It's right around 23,000.
Yeah.
I can turn. All right, guys, this is gonna conclude the video. As you can see, my daughter back here in the left-hand corner of the screen. It's all done. Now, that machine that I showed you that was hooked up to my windshield here was sucking out all the moisture and also filling the liquid glass, or whatever the heck that is that goes in there. So right at the tip of my finger is where it was at. So you may be able to see a little tiny piece there. There you go. So he did say, Dave with Safe Light Repair, Safe Light Replace. He said that when he first showed up, he guaranteed, he goes, you may still see where it was at. We don't guarantee that you're not gonna see anything. And he's right, I do see a little tiny piece in there, but no, this is guaranteed for life. So if it does start cracking or anything, this I will just get back a hold of them, and they'll come out and replace the windshield and fix whatever happens. So this windshield is now guaranteed for life. Their work is guaranteed for life on this windshield. He said normally if you wanted to pay for this out of pocket, it's about $110 with them. He goes, most insurances do cover this, so that's good to know. I have nationwide. He said, I think, except State Farm doesn't cover it. Other than that, it was about a 15-minute job. He also vacuumed my car and cleaned all my windows on the exterior. So very cool, very good service. I appreciate it. Hope this video was interesting. I'll see you guys on the next one. Everybody take care. Bye-bye.